For over 55 years, Buckaroo has been producing high-performance Australian-made leather tool belts and accessories. Founded as a one-man operation in 1971, Buckaroo has grown into a proud second-generation family business, delivering premium trade gear tailored specifically for carpentry, electrical, scaffolding, rigging, mining and more. When you're putting in those long hours on the job site, your gear needs to stand up to the challenge. That's why all Buckaroo leatherware is crafted from 100% premium locally sourced Australian leather. As a sustainably focused manufacturer, every Buckaroo hide is tracked directly from the regional farms straight to their New South Wales workshop. It's thick, it's tough, and it's engineered for maximum life and back support to keep you working in comfort. When it comes to trade quality leather tool belts and pouches, the stitching makes all the difference. Buckaroo double stitches every high stress area, locking the seams in place so they won't unspool or compromise product integrity, even if the leather gets damaged on site. Plus, to ensure long-term durability, they use heavy-duty industrial bonded thread that resists abrasion, UV exposure, and moisture rot. Supporting the stitching is Buckaroo's signature riveting system, using corrosion-resistant black metal rivets doubled up at critical stress points, combined with heavy-duty D-rings anchored directly into the belt core. Every Buckaroo belt is engineered to carry heavy loads day in, day out. At the heart of Buckaroo's belt range is their signature back support system. Buckaroo first pioneered this concept in 1999, built around genuine Australian wool felt lining designed to sit directly against your lower back. This natural wool padding delivers deep lumbar support, even weight distribution and breathability through long days and hot Australian summers. Beyond their flagship belts, Buckaroo delivers a full line of customisable tool bags, pouches, frogs and holsters, built for the extreme Australian site conditions. When you back Buckaroo, you're supporting local Australian manufacturing and industry. Explore the complete Buckaroo range at your local TradeTools store or shop online at tradetools.com. How's your Buckaroo gear holding up to the task? Let us know in the comments.